Hello everyone, Dev here. Today's guide is about NPC mods. I will show and detail every single mod. NPS core is a core mod required for all the mods I'll mention. By default, it adds 4 types of NPC into the game, including the hostile Harley. NPCs spawn everywhere just like zombies. You can hire them, assign them to defense, and take them as companions. You'll need dukes for this. NPC supports all vanilla weapons by default. You just need to put a weapon into their inventory and select the appropriate command so they can use it. You can use them to carry your loot. Kujumik NPC adds many different types of NPCs to the game, both friendly and hostile. The character have a lore-friendly gear. Survivors looks like actual survivors, and you can even encounter teenagers among them. It uses the exact same system and mechanics as NPS core. Besides NPS, it adds special camps designed for them. While roaming the wasteland, you can encounter raiders dressed in gas masks called psychos. They kill both the player and everyone else around. For those camps to appear, you need to start a new game and generate the world. They mostly spawn in a wasteland biome. Dark Soldiers add soldiers to the game. They are friendly and only sport standard weapons, which are the M4 rifle, AKM and pistol. They do not accept pipe weapons. This mod works similarly to NPC core, with all the same hiring and management mechanics. Dark Cleaners adds the exact same soldiers but in black gear. They are bandits. They kill both player and zombies. You cannot hire them. When killed, they often drop loot where you can find supplies or the weapon the NPC was using before death. The drop depends on your loot stage. In addition to all these mods, if you want special POIs for NPC where traders will give out quests, I recommend installing the Combopack mod. This mod adds NPC bases to all biomes, which are nearly impossible to clear out because there are about 10-20 heavily armored NPCs. They can tear you apart from 300-meter distance. In addition, I want to say NPC mod is a little bit hard to manage, so you need to install dependencies and please pay attention to the author's page. Read the description of NPC mods. That's all friends, I have included all these mods except for the last one in my tested and stable mod pack for this game. I also added patches to ensure the NPC mod works for you. The link to the mod pack will be in the video description. Thank you very much, see you.